This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play defense in NBA 2K. First, let's master the fundamentals. Always use the left stick to stay directly in front of your offensive player, keeping your body between them and the hoop. This forces them into tough shots or passes. Focus on anticipating their next move, whether it's a drive or a shot, to react swiftly. Avoid jumping or reaching too early, as this can leave you vulnerable and out of position. Now, let's elevate your defense with some advanced tactics. To get steals, wait for the ball handler to expose the ball, then press the steal button. For blocks, time your jump as the shooter releases the ball using the block button. Remember, shot contests are crucial. Use the right stick up to contest without jumping, reducing foul risk. A well-timed contest can significantly lower an opponent's shooting percentage, forcing misses. Effective defense isn't just about individual skill. It's about teamwork. Always be ready to provide help defense when a teammate gets beaten, then quickly rotate back to your man. When facing a pick and roll, decide whether to switch defenders or hedge and recover. Understanding your team's defensive scheme and your specific assignments is vital for preventing easy scores and maintaining strong overall court coverage. To truly master defense, optimize your settings and practice consistently. Head into your controller settings and experiment with defensive assist strength to find what feels best for you. Spend time in the team practice facility, focusing on defensive drills to hone your timing and positioning. Reviewing replays of your games can highlight areas for improvement, helping you refine your strategies and become a lockdown defender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.